Hello, students. In our previous lesson, we learned what robotics is, how robots work, and how they have evolved over time. But did you know that not all robots are the same? Some robots build cars, some help doctors perform surgeries, and some can even fly through the sky. Today, we will explore the different types of robots and discover how they make our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. So, let's get started. Industrial robots. Industrial robots are commonly found in factories and manufacturing plants. These robots perform repetitive tasks such as welding, painting, assembling products, and packaging materials with high speed and accuracy. They help increase productivity while reducing human effort in dangerous or repetitive jobs. Humanoid robots. Humanoid robots are designed to look and move like humans. They may have a head, arms, legs, and even the ability to communicate using speech and facial expressions. Some humanoid robots assist with customer service, research, education, and human interaction. Service robots. Service robots are created to assist people in everyday tasks outside factories. You may find them cleaning floors, delivering items, guiding visitors, or helping customers in hotels and restaurants. A robotic vacuum cleaner is a simple example of a service robot used in many homes. Robotic exoskeletons. Robotic exoskeleton is a wearable robotic frame that supports and enhances human movement. These devices can help people recovering from injuries, individuals with mobility challenges, or workers who need extra physical support while lifting heavy objects. Agricultural robots. Agricultural robots help farmers perform important farming tasks. They can plant seeds, remove weeds, monitor crops, spray fertilizers, and even harvest fruits and vegetables. These robots improve efficiency and help farmers manage large fields more effectively. Medical robots. Medical robots play an important role in healthcare. They assist doctors during surgeries, support rehabilitation exercises, and help with patient care. Their precision allows medical procedures to be performed with greater accuracy and control. Drones. Drones are flying robots that can operate remotely or autonomously. They are used for aerial photography, mapping, surveying, agriculture, package delivery, and disaster monitoring. Equipped with cameras and sensors, drones can access areas that may be difficult or unsafe for humans. Autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles are robots capable of moving and navigating with little or no human control. Using cameras, sensors, GPS, and artificial intelligence, these vehicles can understand their surroundings and make driving decisions. Entertainment robots. Entertainment robots are designed to engage, educate, and amuse people. They can sing, dance, play games, tell stories, and interact with audiences. These robots make learning and entertainment more interactive and enjoyable. Military robots. Military robots are used to support defense and security operations. They can help with surveillance, reconnaissance, bomb disposal, and exploring dangerous locations where human safety may be at risk. Let's recap what we learned today. We explored different types of robots that are transforming the way people live and work. As technology continues to advance, robots will become even more capable and play a greater role in our everyday lives. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.